Any folder you create in your computer's Drive file stream folders or in Drive on the web automatically appear on your devices so that you're organized everywhere. In this video, we're going to create a folder in Google Drive on the web. First, navigate to where you want to create your new folder in Google Drive. I chose my newsletters folder. Then go to New and select Folder. Give your folder a name in this pop-up window and click Create. Here's my folder at the top. It's sorted by the name. I can right-click anywhere, also in Google Drive, and choose New Folder and give the folder a name. Choose which method works for you best.